Definitely VPP is coming out in a strong way. You see in the short span they got a good vote share, and definitely VPP will have put whose vote they will take that only after the results. But I think VPP will definitely take certain vote share in certain year.
Presiden Kementerian Pradesh Congress Committee Ubadiru MP Jangkalok Sabha Ubak Vincent Pala ulang bagi Paidbah kejala kreatif syai ke buik kisang sang partai kejala ki bakan thum nadu ke NPP BJP UDP bahak por election ki persang banyak khun ke election halaka jang ke parti tangmat pendek ke vote bank jongki kan batang syukur ke election pai ke li banyak snok ton lang baik haka juga kenhun nak ke jeng motor simet jongki ngelam bat ki tukat ni kum ka kongres ke bayang kanogrem bansakri yo Paidbah kejala Habala kali ubak Vincent Pala ulah kuburu bakasan BPP klampap kandewe ni ke parti ke banla ban kering ya kabut akan di ke election ke banwan madang tang haki kanet por bala sengru kalayo e kabut share ka babyang bah ndeu laong bakadei tak hadu mandakot ke election ban la ban i hadu kan ke BPP ka khlai ulong ru baki Paidbah ke jela haka beri bahi baka MP election ki su syai bani tang ka kongres kemudian ke kedan ke babyang bah Delhi nama haka jelang ke balik chamaulai Nimor kenang ru ki babut ki penpau ke election MP ken kesan baik ya ke kongres.
Definitely VPP is coming out in a strong way. You see in the short span they got a good vote share, and definitely VPP will have put whose vote they will take that only after the results. But I think VPP will definitely take certain vote share in certain year. It may not be strong in certain areas, but definitely it will be strong in certain areas in and around Shillong, number one. And also, it depends. See, another 4 months election is a long way for politics, and sometimes it's very short also. It depends how the other parties will work. If UDP can hold the voters, Congress can hold the voters, NPP can hold the voters, then the VPP will see the true color of the VPP only after election. But as on today, I think the graph of the VPP is starting coming down. I've seen many areas, people realize, for example, voters of VPP from Marongkreng, many of the leaders met me. They said that, sir, MP is different, MDC is different, MLA is different. From Maulai, I was in Maulai 3-4 days back, I was in Maulai organizing a house-to-house meeting. So I could see the enthusiasm in the people that no, for the national politics we should vote for the Congress. So the people of Meghalaya, especially in one Shillong parliamentary constituency, the people knows what and how to vote for a different, be it in the council, be it in the state, and be in the national level. So I think that's also we should keep in mind. They may like this party, but they know the limits of that party. They may like this candidate, they may know the limit of the candidates. They may like many things, but also at the same time they think that overall interest is also very important. Elections is not between Ampala, Pala or others. It's between parties, Congress, NPP, UDP, VPP, BJP. So the elections, every year we fought based on the party, in line with the party. So all these parties clubbed together, if you see UDP, NPP and other parties and BJP, during the election they fight separately, but after the election they work together. The Congress is the only party will fight and will also see that, we should see the interests of the public as a whole. I'm not talking in a small interest, but overall interest of the country and overall interest of the state, not in the small interest. So I think if you look in that line, all of them fighting for the survival of their parties. It's not for the interest of the public. The UDP wants to put a candidate, NPP wants to put a candidate, BJP wants to put a candidate, just to maintain their vote share, just to see that their voters will be with them, to keep their voters intact. So I don't think that they are serious in fighting the election. They only fight elections for the election's sake. But Congress, we are serious to fight election, and we'll all put the interest of the public and the people in the front of us.
So.